Did you know that God once answered a prayer before it was even fully spoken? Let's explore how this happened with Prophet Abraham's prayer for the future of Makkah. Prophet Abraham left his beloved wife, Hagar, and his infant son in a barren valley because God commanded him to do so. They had almost nothing: no food, no water, and no shelter. Hagar searched urgently for help, running between the hills, and eventually water miraculously appeared to sustain them. Later, Prophet Abraham made a sincere prayer, asking God to make that place secure and to provide its people with goodness and fruit. God accepted that prayer, and Makkah became the home of the Kaaba, a center of peace, worship, and unity for millions of believers throughout history. This story teaches us that God listens to prayers that are sincere and founded on true trust in Him. Prophet Muhammad was not just a leader. His life was full of signs that pointed to God's support and confirmation of His message. Here are 3 powerful miracles that still inspire millions today. First, there was the event when the moon appeared to be split into 2 parts by God's power, in answer to a request from His people, showing a clear sign of truth and divine support. Second, there were occasions where small amounts of food or water were blessed and increased, so that many people could be fed or satisfied, demonstrating God's provision through the Prophet's presence. Third, the revelation of the Quran itself stands as a timeless miracle, unmatched in language, depth, guidance, and wisdom, providing guidance for every age. These events strengthened the faith of believers and confirmed His message as a truth supported by God. Every time you hear the Prophet's name, there is a blessing waiting for you. Here's why sending blessings on him is more powerful than you might think. When we send blessings on the Prophet, we are asking God to honor him and show mercy upon him. God has commanded believers to send such blessings, and the Prophet explained that if a believer sends just one blessing upon him, God will send many blessings back upon that believer. This simple act brings reward, draws hearts closer to faith, and reminds us of the deep love and respect we hold for the Prophet. So the next time you hear his name, send blessings upon him. It's a short act with a big reward and spiritual peace.